Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you now how to install Coinomi and then load money onto it. So Coinomi, as I've explained on the website, is a software wallet. I think it's one of the better ones out there. It's the most flexible. It supports multiple currencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, a bunch of other ones. It's very easy to transfer funds from Coinomi to another wallet or from a crypto exchange to Coinomi. And it's easy also to transfer money from a paper wallet to Coinomi. So it's pretty flexible and has a lot of great features. So the first thing you're going to do is load it on the App Store. Okay, so I've now installed Coinomi, and now I'm going to open the wallet. And you can see Coinomi would like to send you notifications. I'm not going to allow it. I don't need to get all kinds of notifications. So now that it's loaded, there are two things you can do. You can create a new wallet or you can restore a wallet. And so if you have a seed phrase or a recovery phrase, you're going to click Restore a Wallet and it'll bring you through that process. In this case, we don't have a wallet yet, so I'm going to click Create a New Wallet. Okay, and it's going to ask me how secure do I want my password authentication to be. I'll probably leave it in the default mode. And now it's going to ask me to choose a password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will be back on. Okay, once you've chosen your password and click Submit, it brings you to a screen like this, and you can see all of the different coins that Coinomi supports. You don't really want to do anything with that right now, so you're going to click that arrow, which will bring you to the terms of service. You can read through it, and if you're comfortable, accept it. So this will then bring you to the main page. And I would just say not now. Now it says wallet not backed up. What you want to do is tap to start there. Okay, and this is where you're going to create your recovery phrase. And this is the phrase that you're going to use either to recover your wallet or to pass the wallet to someone else. Because with this phrase, you can basically recreate the wallet. So basically, you have to enter your passphrase first. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will see you on the other side. Okay, I've done. I entered in my password, and now you can see that the phone is showing you the recovery phrase. And what you want to do is print out the sheet on Giftabit that basically allows you to write down the recovery phrase, and you want to write these words down. You want to make sure that you have them and you keep them safe, because these are the terms that you're going to use to basically recreate the wallet. Either you recreate the wallet or, like I said, someone that you're giving the wallet to as a gift. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and you go ahead and do that too if you're following along. Okay, so I took the recovery phrase and I copied it onto this Giftabit sheet here. You can see, by the way, the fact that I have revealed this recovery phrase to all of you means that this wallet is basically toast. It's unusable because any of you can take this recovery phrase and enter it in and recreate or gain control of this wallet. So this is only for demonstration purposes. This is exactly what you do not want to do with your recovery phrase, is to let anyone see it, let alone put it on the internet. So once I have it, I'm going to click that I have safely stored my recovery phrase, click the arrow, and then it's going to ask me to confirm the phrase by selecting each of the keywords based in the order that they appeared originally and that you wrote them down on your sheet. So I'm going to go do that now. I've did that, and now my wallet is all set and ready to use. So what I really want to do is use the wallet to take funds from an exchange. And I posted an article on how to use an exchange, but you might want to use Coinbase or Kraken, Gemini. There are a bunch of different exchanges out there. I use Coinbase and Kraken. But to do that, you basically are going to click on your coin, and then you're going to click on Receive. And you're going to get this QR code, and you're also going to get this address, and this is your public address. And what we're going to do is we're going to use that public address on Kraken or on Coinbase to send funds to this wallet. So I'm going to copy this public address. And it's kind of awkward for me to do it while I'm filming, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will get back on. Okay, now I'm going to open up Kraken, and I'm actually on a different phone. So once you're on to Coinbase or Kraken, usually there are some buttons down at the bottom of the screen that allow you to send crypto. So in this case, it is not that. It is not that. There it is. It's that arrow. And you can see that there, they don't call it send, they call it withdraw. So I'm going to click on the withdraw option. And basically I have $148 in Bitcoin, so I'm going to click on that. And I want to withdraw, let's say, $15 in Bitcoin. And who do I want to send it to? I'm going to enter in a new address. Get started. Description. I'm just going to call this test. Next. The Bitcoin address. So this is where you would enter in the public Bitcoin address. And you can either copy and paste it from your clipboard into here, or if you happen to have it on a different computer, you can just scan the QR code of the Coinbase, of the Coinomi wallet. So you can see here that this public address matches up exactly with the address that I showed you on Coinomi. So you can either scan the QR code. It's hard if you're using the same device, the same mobile device, to scan the QR code. So if you are using the same device, the better thing to do is to copy it to the clipboard and then paste it into this space here. So the next thing you're going to do is click Next, confirm the address. So they sent a link to my account just to have me confirm it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. So I went ahead and confirmed with my two-factor authentication. And as you can see, the withdrawal has been initiated. So I've sent 0.00051328 Bitcoin to that Coinomi wallet that we set up earlier. So now we'll go ahead and check and see if the funds have been sent to the wallet. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, and I want to show you that the Bitcoin has now been transferred over to the Coinomi wallet. So here we are in the wallet. We have 0.00049 Bitcoin. If we go back to the home page, you can see we've got $24.04. So about $1 was taken out for fees, which isn't bad. It's actually not a great percent, but you're only transferring $25. If you're transferring more than that, it would still only be a couple of dollars. So it's relatively cheap to transfer money on Bitcoin. But more importantly, we've now moved Bitcoin from one exchange to a wallet on one phone, and it hasn't gone through any banks. It's been a totally natural process, really handled all by the blockchain. So that's what's kind of really unique about it. And it only took 10 minutes to do it. So there you go. It's now on the wallet. Now that it's on the wallet, this wallet is loaded. And so all you need to do is give that seed phrase to whoever you want to gift the wallet to, the recovery phrase on the sheet that you wrote on this piece of paper right here. Just give this to whoever you want to gift it to, and they will now have a wallet that they can load with $24 in Bitcoin. And once you do that, what you're going to want to do is destroy this wallet, because you don't want to have a copy yourself and then have the person you gifted to have a copy. So I'll show you how to do that later.